Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the location in the Google Map and also add the business location in a Google Map. So how you can add that, simply just follow all these steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to add your business location in Google Map. First thing is that you're just going to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also, make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just going to general section and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just scroll it down and it's going to the transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and reset the network settings from here. And again, connect with your Wi-Fi. After that, just going back and just simply just going to the Google Map and just see the option of a icon of the account and just click it and have to make sure that you just sign in with your Google account just like that. After that, just scroll it down and you see the option of add a missing place, add your business. So I want to add the business location. Just tap on business, add your business. So wait, it's taking minimum time. So wait for a second and you see the option of adding the business name. So I'm running my mobile repairing shop. So my shop name is Unlock iOS. I'm gonna select it, and the business category is phone repairing services. So I'm gonna next. And do you want to add a location customer visit? Yes, I have a shop. I wanna yes it. I'm gonna next. And enter your business address. I'm gonna address all the business, adding the business location where my location. And after that is going to the next. I'm gonna randomly put it and randomly put it. After that, simply is going to the next. And is this your business? Are you as mobile repairing professional, iPhone, Android repairing expert? You can select that. I'm saying that non. They showing the location on my current on my areas. They're showing the mobile shops. So not none of these is my shop. So I'm gonna select the none of these. Gonna next. And they're saying that where are you located? And they're simply asking me where your shop location and where your shop is located. So I want to adjust it and I'm gonna see the red icon. I'm gonna select and choose that location where my shop is located. So randomly, I'm gonna select that my shop is that location located. So I'm gonna select that. So make sure that you just select the exact shop location which your shop is right now. So I'm gonna go into the next. And do you provide deliveries or home and or office visit? For example, if you visit or deliver to your customers, you can let them know where are you willing to go. So you want to select that if you're willing to do that. Simply just I'm gonna not do that. I'm gonna go in no and I'm gonna next. And simply just verify my phone numbers and check message. I'm gonna skip for the right now. Get updates about your business. Would you like alerts notifications? Yeah, I want to get the updates. Go to the businesses. I'm gonna select the yes. I'm gonna go to next. They need to verify my account. So I'm gonna saying that verify later. And they're saying that I do services, so I'm gonna provide the services of battery replacement, camera repair, everything shop related. So I'm gonna skip it. You want to select that which you currently is giving the services to the customer. So and other thing is that add opening hours. So you have to select that when your shop is closed and your shop is on. And when you open the shop, I'm gonna right now skip it. Just the please simply add your business description to that, and here you just add the business description. I'm gonna right now skip it. Other thing is you have this upload the image of your shop from the front of the shop, and also if you want to import the images of your interior, so you want to add it. I'm gonna right now skip it. And the thing is just like the example of the shop. If you're running a courier shop, you just have to just upload that type of image. If you are running the hair salon, just upload that type of images. I'm right now just skip it. And you see, they claim your $400 advertisement credit. They're giving the credit to advertise my shop to the Google through. So right now I'm gonna skip it. So if your edit will be visible once you have verified. So I'm gonna saying that when you verified your profile with your phone number, it's gonna continue and visible on the Google Map. So that is the setting. You have to make sure to add the business location in your Google Map to that settings and to that way. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.